The Dragon Boat Festival falls on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month. There are many different legends about the festival, but the most famous one is about Qun Yuan, a patriotic poet of the state of Chu during the Warring States period. Qun Yuan is said to have been loyal and patriotic his whole life. When he realized the decline of Chu was beyond recovery, his remorse knowing he could no longer save it grew stronger and stronger. On the 5th day of the 5th lunar month, he threw himself into the river and died for his beloved homeland. Locals living adjacent to the river rushed into their boats to search for him. They threw jiaoshu, rice dumplings, and other food into the river to keep fish and turtles from devouring Qun Yuan's body. Later, to commemorate this patriotic poet, the customs of holding dragon boat races and throwing jiaoshu into the river on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month were passed down, giving rise to the name Dragon Boat Festival. In September 2009, the Dragon Boat Festival became China's first festival to be selected for the world's intangible cultural heritage. Most Chinese festivals are related to specific foods, and the Dragon Boat Festival is no exception. The zongzi is an indispensable food for the Dragon Boat Festival. In the past, every family would soak glutinous rice, prepare reed leaves for wrapping, wrap the rice around sweet fillings such as jujube and bean paste, or savory ones like fresh meat or ham, and tie them up into pyramidal shapes. Zongzi, which is very popular in China, are now mass-produced on the production line. Many people choose to buy ready-to-eat products. Wufangzhai, one of China's largest zongzi producers, ships out more than 3 million pieces a day during the Dragon Boat Festival, and their annual production of zongzi exceeds 400 million pieces. In Qun Yuan's hometown, Zigui County of central China's Hubei province, a grand dragon boat race is held every year during the Dragon Boat Festival. This folk activity has been passed down from generation to generation, dating back more than 2,000 years. Today, China's dragon boat racing has developed from a local activity into a grand sports event and even became an international sporting event. There are more than 85 countries and regions in the world that hold dragon boat races annually. The Boston Dragon Boat Festival has been held for 14 years, and the Toronto International Dragon Boat Festival has witnessed more than 30 years or races. China's dragon boats have rolled to the world.
小红书